YouTube, welcome. It's your boy Al Mac. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and upon subscribing, make sure that you hit the notification bell, and that way you will be notified upon any video that I upload. Guys, one thing that I think is important is that you learn how to do some basic bike maintenance on your motorcycle. And I'm not saying that we have to all become, you know, motorcycle repairmen, but basic maintenance is something that you have to learn eventually, because it will save you a lot of money, and you know, you will get to know your bike better. And that's one thing that I think is important, is to know your bike, know how to work on it, know how to fix it, know when something sounds right, sounds wrong, because you can avoid long-term issues up front, you know, guys. And a lot of us guys that have these big touring bikes and we go out touring, at some point you're going to run into a problem with your bike on the road, and you're going to want to know how to work on your bike, guys. You're not going to want to have to call Harley, Honda, Yamaha, or somebody to help you out to fix a simple issue. You know, it's important to really learn how to work on your motorcycle, guys. And you know, with me, one thing that's really helped me become a better bike mechanic is YouTube videos. And honestly, guys, with bike maintenance videos, you really have to be careful about who you're watching, because they might not really know what they're doing, or they might be doing something wrong. But YouTube can be a great source to really gain some information about, you know, bike maintenance and issues that's going wrong with your motorcycle and things like that. There's a lot of Goldwing maintenance videos out there, a lot of Harley maintenance videos out there that's really going to help you guys maintain your motorcycles, and it's going to save you a lot of money, and you're going to get to know your bike very well. Another really good source to learn how to maintain your bike is just looking at the owner's manual, checking out the maintenance manual for your bike, looking over that, knowing where your service intervals are, following your service intervals, and you know, keeping your bike up, guys. And like, I don't like to thrash a lot of motorcycle shops and whatnot, but when you take your bike to the shop, just know up front you're going to pay, on average, at least in my area where I live, about $110 an hour for service, plus you're going to have to pay for parts. So things like a simple oil change can start costing over $150 for some motorcycles. But you probably could have done it on your own for $40, $50 or whatever you're paying. I don't know, guys. I mean, it's important to really learn about bike maintenance, and I want you guys to take your time and learn about your bikes and learn how your bike sounds, and when something goes wrong, learn how to fix it, you know, because I've had a lot of things to go wrong with my bikes, because I typically buy older bikes because I enjoy working on bikes. You know, I can easily go in the garage and spend 4 or 5 hours, not really just I'll spend 4 or 5 hours not really just fixing problems, but just maintaining the bike. You know, just doing simple things to help keep the bike up. But what do you guys think, guys? I mean, how are you guys maintaining your bikes? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It's your boy Al Mac, and I am out.